Bhoirav Ganguly College, an esteemed academic institution. It is dedicated to impart value-based quality education to its beloved students. Recognized as a government-sponsored college under Section 2F and 12B of UGC Act, presently the campus of Bhoirav Ganguly College comprises a total of 25 bighas of land bounded by walls and featured with greeneries, garden and sports ground. Over the years, the college has produced more than 60,000 graduates and 550 postgraduates, with present enrollment over 5,000 students. It is due to the dedicated service provided by around 150 scholarly faculty members and about 50 experienced non-teaching staff that the college now stands vigorously on the pedestal of glory and success. In 1955, Sri Jibondhan Ganguly, a noted social worker and educationalist of Belghoria, donated 11 bighas of prime land to the government of West Bengal for the setting up of a degree college. The objective was to provide higher education to local girls and boys coming from the middle and the lower middle class families, for whom travelling to Kolkata was a matter of sheer difficulty. The proposal was then heartily accepted by the government, and Bhoirav Ganguly College, named after the illustrious great-grandfather of the donor, came into being on 3rd September 1968. The government then decided to merge the arts section of Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Centenary College, Rohora, the new institution. Consequently, a number of widely experienced teachers helped the college take in its early strides at this nascent stage. In the year 1968, when Professor Manmothanath Roy took charge of the college, the institution started its journey with just 4 teachers and 21 students. In 1969, during the tenure of Professor Sukhdev Sengupta, evening commerce section was introduced. Professor Manmothanath Roy became the principal in 1971, and he was followed by Professor Kailashnath Bhattacharya in 1974. In the year 1979, Professor Dwijendralal Sarkar took over as the principal, and the institution began its journey for new heights. Under the able leadership of this pioneering architect, many new courses were introduced. A number of teaching and non-teaching posts were sanctioned, and the college boundary got erected. During this tenure, the college celebrated the Silver Jubilee year 1992 to 1993 with pomp and grandeur. Dr. Niranjan Kanti Das's tenure as the principal began in 1995, as he was followed by Dr. Vishwanath Ghosh in 2000. During this span, 7 new courses were introduced, and the study centers of open universities like IGNOU and NSOU were opened. The tenure of the latter also saw the construction of the new building, the library room and the auditorium Alapon. The first NACPEER team visit took place. The Dr. Meenakshi Ray took over as the principal and led the institution to achieving new heights.
It's a moment of greatest pleasure for me to become a part of Golden Jubilee celebration of Bhoirav Ganguly College, beginning today, the 3rd September 2017. 50 years elapsed since the college started its journey in the year 1968. From 2009 January onwards, I became a party to this journey. Golden Jubilee celebration of Bhoirav Ganguly College provides ideal occasion to focus that how with remarkable cooperation of my teacher colleagues, significant support of my non-teaching staff members and sensible contribution of the governing body, foster a nurturing and productive learning environment for the students, build up strong relationship with larger community through active community participation, promote inclusivity. I believe that education is self-discovery. It is an art of self-sculpture, and our role is to instill in our students a sense of positivity, pragmatism, compassion, tolerance and discipline. Our endeavors have already been rewarded by NAC in 2016, but we must not sit contented with the laurels that have been earned. We will try to rededicate ourselves to the task of attaining and maintaining higher qualitative standard. Seek blessings. Please join hands.
It was during her tenure that certain new undergraduate programs were introduced. The college takes real pride in its fully automated central library, which provides the students, faculty and staff with invaluable resource of international and national books and journals. The library has opaque facilities which are available through the campus network. It has e-resource zone and a spacious, noise-free reading room for students and faculty members. All lab-based departments were facilitated with ICT classrooms. In addition to that, a smart classroom was set up for privileging all departments. Recently, a virtual classroom has been set up with the state government fund. The college proudly boasts of its UGC-funded international standard indoor sports complex equipped with multifarious facilities. The college also has an air-conditioned 12-station gymnasium. The UGC has granted for a swimming pool which is now under construction. The Department of Geography has developed a unique meteorological observatory equipped with IMD-tested instruments. As a result of MoU with West Bengal Forest Department, the college has laboriously set rare medicinal garden with rare medicinal plants to benefit the locality. A flower garden named Butterfly Garden has added to the beauty of the college premises. The renovation of the college building included inside and outside paintings, roof treatment, construction of student utility block, Wi-Fi facilities, medical unit, CCTV surveillance, differently able-friendly infrastructure and many more. A new building has been erected to house the two open universities. The Career Development and Placement Cell of the institution arranges for campus interviews for placements of students in prestigious companies like TCS, ICICI Prudential and CMC Academy. Make Kolosh, an initiative to preserve rainwater, was built up by the Department of Geography. Solar panels have been installed to render the college partially relying on renewable energy. The DOAC Computer Center has been built up for offering to the college students subsidized, basic and advanced courses and led the institution to treat a path of glory. An open-air classroom provides the rare chance to break the classroom monotony. The relocation and remodeling of the college canteen has been made with the purpose of rendering satisfaction to the staff. The History Museum exhibits artifacts collected from Indian Museum and Indian Archaeological Museum. On 3rd September 2016, the institution proudly held its first convocation to deliver certificates to the PG students of past 5 years. In addition to previously mentioned universities, the college has housed a study center for Vidyasagar University. Finally, all these endeavors got rewarded as NAC Peer Team, after its second visit in the year 2016, accredited the institution with the distinction of an A grade. Under the sensible guidance and administration of the governing body, this institution has gradually made its permanent position at the fore of academic scenario of West Bengal. Presently, the whole institution is busy celebrating its long journey of 50 years during 2017 and 2018.
The Golden Jubilee celebration of Bhairav Ganguly College we start from 3rd September 2017. This college has started its journey 50 years back on 3rd September 1968 with only 4 teachers and 21 students. Now, this college is having its student strength of 5,000 and offering 21 honors subjects, 24 general subjects and 4 master degree. Now, it is really proud for me to say that few days back it has completed its admission purely on online basis. The NAC has already accredited grade A in the year 2016. It signifies that the college is actually gradually going towards its excellence, and that too both in achievement and attitude. I think the very near future this college will be a college of its kind and in our state of West Bengal, and I am really happy, and this is my proud, again I say, as the president of the GB. 50 years back, the Bhairav Ganguly College started its journey in imparting education this part of Calcutta and North Chobbish Pargana district and other Howrah Hooghly districts with only 21 students and 4 teachers. Now, this is our proud that we are having above 5,000 students and above 100 teachers at present in Bhairav Ganguly College. I hope that in near future, this will be a college amongst very few colleges in West Bengal to reckon with.
The institution has been blessed to give more than 40 faculty members who have obtained PhD degree, around 20 who are pursuing their PhD, and around 20 MPhil and 5 who have MTech. Following is the list of faculties who have obtained postdoctoral research qualification from abroad. Dr. Mala Basu, Department of Zoology, with her postdoctorate from University of Maduguri, Nigeria. Dr. Tapas Mukherjee, Department of Physics from University of Rome, Italy. Dr. Shahana Chakraborty, Department of Physics from Tokai University, Japan. Dr. Rajesh Konar, Department of Chemistry from Tel Aviv University, Israel. As for the research activities, the following is the list of faculties who have received grant for UGC and ICSSR. Following are the faculties who have presented papers in many national and international conferences. The following graph exhibits the number of publications in various national and international journals. This graph on screen highlights the number of books and chapters published by faculty members.
The college should impart education for all, but special facilities should be given to the ladies and the inhabitants of the Belghoria Gam. That time called it's Gam, and throughout the year we are taking various programs which includes inter alia, debate, workshop, seminar, recitations and so many others.
আজকের এই মানে কি বলবো অনুষ্ঠানের দিনে একবার আমরা পুরোনো দিনের দিকে একটা চেয়ে দেখতে পারি যে কাদের কাদের অবদানে কলেজ দাঁড়িয়েছে।
In terms of co-curricular activities too, the college has always maintained a standard to be highly appreciated. Following are the students who deserve special mention. In the field of sports, the institution has always given outstanding performance in inter-university competitions and produced seminal athletes. The college always organizes various cultural programs on occasions such as Boshanto Utsav, Foundation Day, etc. The participation of faculty members and students adds to the gaiety of the day. Among the extension activities under NSS, the volunteers carry out noble ordeals like arranging blood donation camps, developing slum areas, etc. The community welfare project named Srijon has been working for uplifting the slum area. The NCC, which has been an integral part of the college for about 3 decades, has also produced students who have joined the Indian Army and Administrative Service and attended Republic Day parades in New Delhi. The following is the list of noted alumni who have added new gem to the crown of the institution.
The Bhairav Ganguly College, which is affiliated to the West Bengal State University, is going to complete 50 years of its existence in the year 2017, and the college has planned a large number of programs to commemorate this important milestone. And we all know that 50 years is a big achievement for any college, for any institution, and also for any person. 50 years is a very important milestone, and Bhairav Ganguly College is doing that with a lot of success. In the last 50 years, we have achieved quite a lot for the college. We should remember the founding fathers of this particular college, particularly Bhairav Ganguly and his associates, who had taken a lot of responsibility and pains to develop this institution to the level which is Bhairav Ganguly College today. We need to also take pledge that the college will do much better in the next 50 years. All of you know that the higher education sector in this country and all over the world is changing very rapidly. A large number of students are coming to the higher education as compared to the last 50 years. The number of universities and colleges have increased, and the present government has taken a lot of initiative in increasing the number of universities and colleges in the state. And a large number of students are coming with a different and diverse subjects which are taught in the colleges. Moreover, earlier the colleges did not have postgraduate sections. Today the colleges are having postgraduate sections also. So all these have made things quite elaborate, quite complex, and managing a college is not very easy. However, the present principal of the college is doing a very commendable job and trying to maintain good academic atmosphere, peace and harmony in the college. She is also associated greatly with the university, and I find that whenever we need advice, the principal comes up with very important advice for the university also. So in the coming days, it is my hope that the college will do much better in the next 50 years, and whatever we have achieved in the last 50 years will be the work basically at the ground, on the basis of which we will be able to proceed further and contribute to the development of higher education in the country, and also the development of the state and the country as such.
On this noble occasion of the Golden Jubilee, the college acknowledges its indebtedness to all the predecessors. The crucial juncture commemorates those who have contributed to the shaping of the rich heritage which has been laboriously built in the past 5 decades. But there is no leisure for seizing and relishing to what has already been achieved. Much needs to be attended in the years to come, and all the members take the solemn pledge to carry forward the tradition to further excel, empower and expand. On this noble occasion of the Golden Jubilee, the college acknowledges its indebtedness to all the predecessors. The crucial juncture commemorates those who have contributed to the shaping of the rich heritage which has been laboriously built in the past 5 decades. But there is no leisure for seizing and relishing on what has already been achieved. Much needs to be attended in the years to come, and all the members take the solemn pledge to carry forward the tradition to further excel, empower, and expand. I am happy to know that the Golden Jubilee celebration of Bhoirav Ganguly College, Belghoria, Kolkata will be held in the college premises on 3rd September 2017 in a befitting manner. My heartiest greetings to the teachers, students and support staff of the college on this occasion. I wish the celebration all success.